handheld vacuum. You could vacuum your cars. It's handheld. Vacuum your car. You can vacuum your couches, the car seats, even upholsteries. This is what it came in an Amazon package. So I'm going to remove it from the Amazon packaging. Okay. Now it's in this other box here. Let's remove that. It's in another box. Figure out how to take it out without messing up the box. I'm gonna have to put that bottom piece. Okay, it's out of that one. Man, it's more difficult to open than I thought. I'm gonna have to do it like this because it's so hard to open. Why is it so hard to open? I'm doing something wrong. I guess I'm doing something wrong. Get this plastic piece out. Get this plastic piece out. Okay. That's the instruction manual here. And this is it here. You have different pieces you could add to it. Add this piece. Let us see what I could pick up with it. So you could see if I get something. Okay, that's how I'm going to wrap this paper. That's how. You see the suction. It will not go through because as you could see it's not small enough, but that could work. Let's cut a smaller piece. I'm going to rest it here and it picks it up. Put another piece. Got it. It works good. Isn't it amazing? And it have different ends that you could, this is the wall plug that you could charge it in, and then you can hold it in your hands. This is another piece that you could add to it. Like I can remove this piece. First time I'm seeing a vacuum like this one. Dyson. It's amazing. See the paper that I put in before? They are here circling around, you see? Thanks for watching. This is one of my birthday gifts. Thank you. God bless you all for watching. I love it.